In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your contact list in Microsoft Outlook. And don't worry, it's a lot simpler than it sounds. We're talking about just a few steps. So let's dive right in and get your contacts exported quickly and efficiently. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Outlook web. This is where all the magic happens. Open your web browser and go to the Outlook website. Now, if you haven't already done so, sign in with your Microsoft account. This will be your personal email account or work email, whatever you normally use to access your Outlook services. Once you're logged in, we'll move on to the next step. Now that you're in, take a look at the interface. Locate the app launcher in the upper left corner. It looks like a grid of small squares. Click on that and a drop-down menu appears with several options. From here, we want to select People. This section is where all your contacts live, and by clicking here, you're effectively stepping into your virtual contact book. Next, it's time to start the exporting process. At the top of the page, you'll find the Manage option. Click on that, and a small menu will unfold. From this menu, you'll want to choose Export Contacts. That selection sets the stage for the data you're about to extract. Now don't worry, it won't get complicated beyond this point. In this step, you're given a decision. You can either opt to export all of your contacts or choose a specific contact folder. This allows for a bit of customization depending on what you need. If you're exporting to back up your entire list, go with all contacts. But if you have a designated folder, perhaps for business or a particular event, select the contact folder that applies. Once you've made your choice, the last thing to do is click Export. With one click, a CSV file, which stands for comma-separated values, will download directly to your computer. This file format is widely used for exporting data because it can be easily imported into any spreadsheet or database, ensuring you can use your contacts seamlessly wherever you need them. And there you have it. Your Outlook web contacts are now saved as a CSV file. With these few simple steps, you've managed to efficiently back up your contacts, ready to be imported into a new platform, saved for future use, or kept as a just-in-case backup. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to stick around for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital tools. See you in the next video.